What's good, guys? So, I got a few cool, fun things in, excuse me, that we are trying at the moment. So, one, I'll show you real quick. I finally got better audio. Can you see that? No. So anyway, that's a Blue Yeti, and I got the attachment and all that goes. Got the attachment and all that goes to it to avoid the shock. You know, whenever something. Wait, this isn't right. Alright. So, like, whenever I set something down on the desk, alright, so we're gonna give this little pop filter a little test, okay? So, watch the audio. Turn this down a little bit.
So he gets like Arnold, and he gets very angry when he set the coffee cup on the desk, on the table. It make him very frustrated.
But anyway, like that, you know. So, anyway. Alright, so anyway, look, got some other fun stuff coming in, so I know y'all know what that is. I'm gonna have some fun with that. Green screen to hide all the construction shit behind me. Yeah, but I have a few cool ideas I'm gonna play with, you know, so anyway, I just, like I said, this is just a test. We're you know, just testing out the noise vibration of this Blue Yeti microphone, the pop filter, as well as the shock mount, because I took the whole stand and all off of it. I ordered the shock mount and all to it, so because it takes every little vibration, every little thing. I mean, and that's not even with the gain cranked up. So, you know, I got the gain set at like halfway and whatever. But look, this is just a quick audio test. Y'all be cool. Later.